Hi, this is Chris from Buckingham Garden Centre, and you find me in my garden. A very warm welcome. And with one thing or another going on at the moment, isn't a garden a great escape? Not only for our health, for our general well-being, but for our physical and our workouts. We need a workout, don't we? Forget all these aerobics on the TV. The garden is your best gym, your outdoor gym to enjoy. So if you need any gardening advice, any tips, hints, you've got a plant you need identifying, you want a bit of information on pests and diseases, please contact me, and the link and the email is below. We really look forward to hearing from you. And well, let's have a little wander around, and welcome to the garden. It's a funny shaped garden we have, to be honest with you. It's a Victorian terrace, end terrace, and obviously it's full of interesting plants, obviously, being a king gardener. And this part of the garden is very contemporary. It's basically decking, and that basically gels into a very traditional cottage garden. And of course, the cottage garden consists of shrubs and perennials, a few trees. We've got lots of structure, so we've got lots of topiary, and we've got a little bit of water in the form of fountains, we've got plenty of statues, we've got a greenhouse, all the bits and pieces you'd expect in a garden as well. A garden in the making of over sort of 18, 19 years, so you put your heart and your soul into your garden, and that's the thing, isn't it? And a garden becomes a part of you and an attachment. So as I drop down the steps before I fall over, it's great to be with you, and remember, we're here for you. So if you need any advice, any information, please contact us at this email address, and we'll help you where we can. And hopefully you'll come back and watch a few more of the videos we're putting together over the next few weeks or maybe months. We look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.